$3.1 million in this phantom wallet, all from coin launches. No gambling, no hoping for pumps, just a strategy that prints over and over again. Let's get into it. I used to waste hours trying to catch pumps on random coins, but every buy felt like a gamble, and 9 times out of 10, I got dumped on. That is when it hit me. The real profits aren't in trading, they're in launching. Think about it. When you launch, you set the rules, you start the hype, and you get in before anyone else even knows the coin even exists. That's how top wallets keep winning. They're not gambling, they're building. And once I made the switch, everything changed and I made a shit ton of money. And now it's your turn to flip the script. But obviously this video was made for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Now most people default to Pump.Fun because it looks simple, but the truth is, it's completely oversaturated. Hundreds of coins go live every minute, flooding the space and burying yours instantly. On top of that, you don't fully control the liquidity or the timing, so even if you are up a couple $1,000s, you cannot even cash out that money. Anyways, that's exactly why I use createtokens.io. It launches your coin directly onto Raydium, gives you full control, and graduates it instantly, meaning your token is instantly tradable and visible right away without wasting any time. Now when you are ready to launch your meme coin on createtokens.io, you've got 2 clean ways. First, build a coin from scratch. So go on Twitter and pick a viral narrative. It could be literally anything. Something that's already buzzing. Maybe it's a trending meme, a celebrity moment, headline, or a viral inside joke, for example this one right here. Then come back to the site, name your token, set the symbol, and upload your logo. It's that simple. Click next and you are set. Second is my personal favorite one and the most profitable, the Copy Trending Coins tab. This posts top performers straight from Pump.Fun that already have hype, traffic, and active buyers. One click and your coin is instantly live onto Raydium. Because you are copying coins that already have attention, you'll get instant buyers and a much higher profit potential right from the start. Both methods work, but the second one is where I've seen the fastest flips and the biggest wins. Okay, no more delays. Let's launch a coin right now and get it live at the moment. So first of all, make sure your wallet is connected with Phantom to the site, then refresh right here. And we're gonna copy the Norg coin. Actually wait, maybe not. I'm gonna copy the Vax coin. It has a last buy 11 seconds ago and a 22k market cap, so crit coin. And ignore the warning from Phantom. Okay, whoops. Then proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created, you just have to wait. Boom! And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's straightforward. We're adding liquidity so your coin is instantly tradable on Raydium. Okay, now for the amount token A, just click 90%. That's going to put 900 million tokens into the pool. You're keeping 10% in your dev wallet. For the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own project. You are setting the market up. Okay, so the minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that money comes right back to you. Okay, so I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL, create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Vax coin is now live. We are up $0. Now, if you re-click on refresh once again, now our profits went up to $170. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen because it has a load. And now all you have to do is just sit back, watch the chart fucking spike, and yeah bro, enjoy all the profits. I'ma be right back though. Oh my god, it's ripping. And yeah bro, enjoy the show. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back. We're at the $3,000 market cap, as you guys can see on the top right. 1.5k in liquidity. Now it's the perfect time to, cash out some money. So come back to createtokens.io. Then after that, refresh. And boom, we're up 1.6 grand with a $3.1 thousand market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up. Yeah, I might be lagging. And boom, as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 8.3 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! We just launched a meme coin live on camera and we made $1.6 thousand. Let's go, it's all there.